Of the National Weather Service. This is the emergency alert system.
The National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Santa Clara County in Northern California until 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The National Weather Service says at 2:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gilroy, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Radar shows wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour and small hail. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Some locations that will be affected include Gilroy, Morgan Hill, and San Martin. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Report severe weather to your nearest law enforcement agency or the National Weather Service. This concludes the activation of the Emergency Alert System.